tugenda mwambula tugenda kwambula abodo tugenda kwambula.
You have
1, 2, 3 days, office days.
The 14th of December will be historic. The 14th of December is going to be historic in terms of fighting corruption. Era tuli ready. Tuli Social Justice Network. Social Justice Network. Viva!
Viva!
Fighting corruption.
Fighting corruption.
Tulumbe. Usibule. A prosecutor
must prosecute.
A prosecutor
must prosecute.
So mubufunze zensonga ezo awasigadde mulindirire nga mubale ennaku mmeka. Mugende ku record mugambe Ssemakadde ne bakebisi ba social justice we batudde babadde bakazanyikirizi era ennaku
Abodo, you have to wear iron underpants. Iron underpants. Down corruption, down.
Down.
Down corruption, down.
Down.
Viva social justice, viva.
Viva.
Viva legal brain trust, viva.
Viva.
Viva all fighters against corruption, viva.
Viva.
Ebibuzo 169 billion as of 2011.
Let
me answer the question. Yes. So the proper assessment of loss is a question currently before the Supreme Court of Uganda in legal brains trust versus Masajja. Even the Constitutional Court refused to make the assessment. It made an order that Mugende mu High Court, a High Court judge yabakola ki yabakola embalirire kyetuwakanya tetugamba nti nedda sente ffe ng'aba citizens twakola okulondoola okwaffe ne tukizuula nti sente zayita mu banks nnya: Tropical Bank, Orient Bank oba eyali Orient Bank kati eri I&M Bank, Bank of Baroda and UBA Bank. These banks have all the accountability. They are the ones which gave Pastor money on behalf of government and Mutendile compensated them. So why do we have to go back to High Court judge? We just want to get our money from these banks plus our interest and take our money back into the people's treasury. Is it clear? But the question then is scientific. It's called the time value of money, factor, interest, behavior. So there are some questions like that. Then damages. Our treasury is for all of us. If this money was for a private person, the person will get damages. And we and the people of Uganda, as a collective, as a sovereign, are entitled to compensation as well from those who have stolen from them. These are the technical questions in the civil proceedings. Is it very clear? In a different court. So although we begin from markets and 142 and so on, the issues involved here, this is sophisticated fraud, by the most shadowy elites. So we have put those questions before the best courts of this country. It's a shame that the Constitutional Court failed to answer those questions. It failed to give us an answer. It said that let us let the High Court judge. If abalamuzi abataano ekibuzo ky'ombuuzizza bagamba nti bo tebaagala kukiwaako answer, tugendewo omulamuzi omuki omu ne tuwaka ne tugamba no tugende tulabe abalamuzi omusanvu kye banaagamba ku nsonga eyo. Omuwendo omuwi w'omusolo gwe yafiirwa gwalina okugirirwa abalamuzi omusanvu basobola okuguvugamba. Omusango ogwo baguyitanga ennaku z'omwezi 3 mu mwaka oguwedde ne baguwa adjournment kubanga lawyer wa BO yafa byamugisha. Chief Justice Owinidoro n'abagamba nti ajja kutuyita ebbanga esalira awala. Tatuyitanga omwaka mulamba tuli ku adjournment okuyambako BOU okwetereza because bali baloya babiri okwetereza tukomewo naye tumulaba mu mikolo naye ayogera nti afuna n'abalamuzi abalala okutuulira emisango ate nga naye atuuliridde omusango omukulu. So Chief Justice Obunidolo nawe tukugamba nawe enkya towenyigira
mu mikolo gy'okulwanyisa enguzi.
Towenyigiramu. You've made enough speeches on corruption. Use tomorrow to sit in your office and find a date for corruption cases in the Supreme Court, including Legal Brains Trust versus Basajja Balaba, so that people of Uganda can have the answer to the question of the day. How much of our money was lost to these dimwits? Pure and simple. Binya eriyitibwa Hassan Basajja Balaba. N'awandiika ebbaluwa ez'okumukumu nga